Can you find the differences?
Color. That is great.
Size.
Size.
That's right. So, and there's also some similarity, like they are eatable fruit, like that. And second pictures. So, look at the pictures. So can you find the differences?
Yes. He appears.
Yeah, always handsome, and there's one boy wear glasses and he's not. And so can you guess what is on today? Differences. Yes. So find the similarity and differences. We're gonna call their words in English. Compare. So compare. COMPARE.